sir? Part of the reason why they can have
What's going on, guys? I got the Michelin palette Sport All Season 4's installed in my 2014 Honda Accord V6 sedan. My initial impressions are amazing. The ride quality smooth, very quiet, good handling, excellent traction, especially if you saw my video I made this morning of the launches. Much better traction, and of course I'm going to be testing other things like the wet performance, and of course next winter I'll be testing the snow performance. But phenomenal tires. I went with the standard factory size, just 215, 55R, 17, so I could have gone wider. I could have gone to 225 and a 50 profile, but I decided to just go to the stock size just to keep the wheels smaller, I'm sorry, the tires smaller, and also to keep the diameter of the rim as small as possible to keep the weight down. So 215, 55 ZR17, and of course these are really highly rated tires for everything from high speeds to dry traction, wet traction, winter traction. So I'll let you know how they are. I'm just going to let them break in, and until then, stay tuned for more videos. So here they are installed, and I'm just kind of casually drive and let them break in, and then I'll let you know later down the road, maybe a month from now, how everything goes. But they're phenomenal tires, as you can see. And here's the tread pattern, in case anyone wants to see. Very nice. So stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching. Please WX signing out.